Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log out of all Facebook devices. First, open your Facebook application or website and navigate to your settings. Look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, and tap or click it. From there, find and select the Settings and Privacy option, then proceed to Settings. This initial step is crucial for accessing your security controls. Once in the Security and Login section, you will see a list titled Where You're Logged In. This list displays all active sessions, showing the device type, location, and when it was last active. Take a moment to carefully review each entry. Pay close attention to any devices or locations that seem unfamiliar or suspicious, as this could indicate unauthorized access to your account. If you wish to log out of a single device, simply locate the specific session in the Where You're Logged In list. Next to each entry, you will find a 3-dot menu icon. Click on these 3 dots, and a small menu will appear. Select the Logout option from this menu to immediately end that particular session on the chosen device. It's a quick way to manage individual access. For a comprehensive security measure, you can log out of all devices simultaneously. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Where You're Logged In section. There, you will find an option clearly labeled Log Out of All Sessions. Clicking this will instantly terminate all active Facebook sessions across every device. After doing this, it is highly recommended to change your password for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.